how to use tags in iPhone notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Do you have too many notes on your iPhone and can't find anything quickly? Then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to use tags in iPhone notes to organize your notes like a pro. So, tags in iPhone notes help you group and find notes easily. A tag starts with the hash symbol, followed by a word like hash and then the topic. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Notes app. So, you can open up an existing note or create a new one by tapping on the pencil like icon in the bottom right corner. Then you can start with your tag name. So, for that, use the hash and then put in what tag you want to use. And then once you give space or return, it turns yellow. So that's it. Your tag is now added. It's as simple as that. You can add more tags. You can add multiple tags in a single note. This is great when one note fits multiple categories. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.